Hi everyone, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the rank function in Excel to rank students based on their score. Let's say we have a list of students on their score and we want to know who has the highest grade or score and what rank each student holds in the class. I have for you step-by-step explanation. In a new column called rank, click here, click on Format Painter and click above rank for same header. Type the formula equal rank, this is the formula, double click for activation and I have the formula. First parameter number. Click there, comma, and select the range. Click there and press F4 for secure this range and enter. K7 is the score of the first students and this range is the full range of scores. Now we can see the rank of each student based on their score. First place is the highest grade, highest score. Click here, click on Format Painter and select that. And I have same format. That's it for today's tutorials. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips. See you in the next video. Bye!